Okay friends, this is the third and final update for our Alocasia experiment, at least on the Alocasia in the domes. I've let them go so long. Two things have happened. Number one, they started to acclimate themselves by just popping off their domes. And number two, Gavin actually dug a couple of these corms out because he didn't bother reading the label and put them in soil. So we're going to have to assume there were two very large plants here. And so we'll go ahead and count with the soil first. We ended up with 1, 2 small sprouts. So we've got what? 1, 2, 3 large ones, 4 that looks really good because polys are small, 5. So 5 out of the dirt tray, 1, 2 popping out. So we've got 5 full plants, 2 popping out. That's your dirt. Take a good look at that. Remember, these have been dug out. So Gavin said they were too large to be in there anymore. But again, I mean, I did put that on there. I'm gonna have to put do not touch on next time. Anyways, moving right along. We will look at our stratum next. We'll take a look at our stratum next because this is the one that is totally popping out, and that's probably part of why Gavin did not pay attention because the lids have been popping off. But stratum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big plants. 1, 2, 3, 4 little guys. That is 1 full tray of corms. And look at that, that's stunning. Okay, and then sphagnum. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones, I'll say, fully grown, and even those are smaller on the average than either tray. So these have bigger ones. I'm assuming, I'm looking at these red stems, and those feel like plumia to me. I did not keep track, and maybe that's something we'll do in the future. Those feel like plumia, but if you see, they're bigger in stratum and in dirt. So for whatever reason, they are not as big in spag. Additionally, so we've got 4 big ones and 4 that have sprouted. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like from the information that we can gather with what we've got going on, again, this is a small data point. Scientists like hundreds of data points. I like hundreds of data points, but maybe we'll revisit it again after my plants have all had a chance to corm. Or we could do a tissue culture one probably. That might not be a bad idea. If you want me to do a tissue culture one, make sure you comment down below and maybe we'll proceed with that. I'm going to put the update for the anthuriums. This will be update number 2 for this guy. But just to wrap up with the Alocasia, stratum is our winner by far. I would say second is my dirt. 5 total sprouted in here, plus 2, 7 in this tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in this tray that sprouted. So, I don't know. This one's kind of a toss-up, but by far, I would say in my mini experiment, we can say that stratum is the winner. So, let's do our anthurium update real quick. All right, let's take a look at our anthurium seeds. These are from a friend. There's some no ID Magnificum mix. Let's see. I mean, dirt has growth in all cells. Sphagnum has more growth. I would think in this case, sphagnum looks a little bit better. But again, stratum, I mean, I put about at least 2 seeds in each tray. And then some have more. As you can see, there are 3 or 4 in there, just how I kind of spread them out into each. But definitely, stratum and sphagnum, so far beating my aroid dirt mix by far for anthuriums. Keep an eye out. We will do an update on these guys. One more update, hopefully, at least after they start popping their lids. And I do actually have another batch of anthurium seedlings coming. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Let me know in the comments. What should I do?